Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. My name is Ali, and you're watching Mr. Primo Vision. All right, some good news because I think we deserve that, right? um, Now this is coming straight from the horse's mouth, and the horse being Michael Ricketts, president of the JFF. All right. Now the Jamaica Star is reporting that Antonio, who's Michael Antonio of West Ham, has crossed the last hurdle, which would make him eligible to play for Jamaica or represent Jamaica on the football field. Also, it is being reported that Kevin Stewart and Kemar Roofe have also received their final documentation to represent the country. So all should be clear for them to be added to the squad to face Mexico. The only doubt I have over it is I would expect to see Michael Antonio. Kevin Stewart is nursing an injury. He's very close to return according to the coaching staff for his team. Michael Antonio said is ready to go in good form. Had a very good opening weekend, a goal and 2 assists. Kemar Roofe is getting back to playing football after suffering some personal setbacks. So hopefully he will be available and he will be called. Because according to the article, which I will get into, it's all now up to the coaches to see who they select for the final 23 going into that Mexico Azteca game, barring those few obstacles I mentioned prior. All right. So the Stars is saying it may not be much longer before West Ham striker Michael Antonio suits up in Jamaican colours. The Jamaican Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, says that that Antonio has received the necessary documents to make his international switch in time for the final round of the World Cup qualifiers, which begins in September. So that is good news for all Reggae Boyz fans. This man is a difference maker. I don't care if you like his style or his personality, or he took too long to commit, or he said no before. But this man will definitely make a difference in our attack, which we see lacked certain aspects. Main one being the ability to finish. You know what I mean? We didn't have the best midfield, but we created chances, which is and in most games we created more chances than our opponents, and still our conversion rate was very low. All right. Another one that will add to that is definitely Kemar Roofe. Okay. Let's get back into it. Ricketts also said passports have also been secured for Rangers striker Kemar Roofe, as well as Blackpool defensive midfielder Kevin Stewart. Antonio had been going through the process of acquiring his passport since announcing his intention to switch international allegiance last March. While he was selected as part of the provisional roster for the 2021 Gold Cup, his documentation was not secured in time for the start of the tournament. Now, question. We were told these documents were secured before the start of the tournament. During the tournament, we were told that the documents were still secured, and now we are getting to learn in this article from the Star that it's just being secured now. So are the documents really secure at this point? I should wonder, because we have been told this about 3 times. Not to be skeptical, but you know what I mean? It's the JFF. All right. Ricketts said that with those documents now in hand, the last hurdle has been cleared for Antonio to make his Reggae Boyz debut, which could be against Mexico on September 2nd, adding that the new recruits will bolster the boys' chances. I think we will be strengthened, to say the least, and we are just hopeful that we will be able to execute and the breaks can go our way, Ricketts told Star Sports. All right. Apart from these 3 players, we have also heard that Anthony Grant is being considered to be a part of the squad. So that would add 2 defensive midfielders with vast amount of experience. With a vast amount of experience, I should say. We already have Speedy and Daniel Johnson there, who I think acquitted themselves well in the circumstances, seeing that both of them are not really CDMs, but were asked to do more of a box-to-box role and contribute a lot more defensively than they would per se for their club or when regularly in their normal position. But to see that they're bringing in potentially 2 central defensive midfielders and 2 what you can call improvements, 2 players that will definitely improve the attack. Hopefully this can lead to us finishing those chances or even creating better chances and finishing them. Also, I think we still have a right back issue. So let's see. Let's see the 23-man squad that will be selected, because the president of the GFF goes on in the article to express that all players should be available. So now it's up to the coaches to select the team. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to leave it there for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section as usual, and remember to like and subscribe.